Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri niyuritie gutigirira niyuka na njira cia kunina wuici wa ndawa mathibitari-ini ma muingi ni Kanju ya magavana kurumirira wuici wa ndawa cia kurigita murimu wa kansa kiumia kihituku cia muigana wa ciringi milioni 8. Muikariri giti wa kamiti ya ugima wa mwiri Kanju ya magavana Professor Nyong'o augite uyu ni undu na giconoko na magigi kuona murimu wa kansa niguo wa gatatu hari uria Kenya matoragio ni mirimu na mwaka arwaru weru 22,116 nio mandikithagio na hari namba ino arwaru 27,092 nio makuaga o mwaka.
We as the Council of Governors condemn in the strongest terms possible the inhumane actions that negate the ongoing reform initiative by both the national and county governments to make access to quality essential medicines and medical supplies a right for all Kenyans at all times. It is important, ladies and gentlemen, to note that the burden of non-communicable diseases in the country has been rising.
Arwaru a murimu uyu kuma urigitani uria wagiriire na ndawa iria ciagiriire ni manathi moete mwihitwa wa kurumbuia arwaru ni undu utagirirwo ni gukuo na uhuthu. Professor Nyong'o akiuga uthuthuria makiria ukorwo gitafanio niguo gutaukwo uria makuruhanitio wuici-ini uyu.
The theft was rampant in the private wing, the intensive care unit and the cancer center. Medicines lost on transit from pharmacy and stores to the wards is a characteristic form of theft of these drugs. A syndicate involving porters, security and healthcare workers has been identified to be involved in these thefts.
Ekwiro awici uyu matanyitwo gucoka igoti-ini tariki 3 mweri-ini wa gatandatu thutha wao kurekererio na bodi ya muigana wa ciringi 500,000. Riri igoti riathire wakiri wao kwandikithia cira uyu weru thutha wa gutetea thitango iria yahuritwo kirore ni ruhonge rwa borithi andu-ini ha wabici ya mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi.
The culprits have not been punished, notwithstanding some report that people in ICU have been denied their medicine and counterfeit medicine given to them in this premier hospital in the Republic of Kenya.
Maya magithiega na mbere, ministry ya kigena niyuritio kurekereria bilioni 39.8 kuri thirikari cia county kuona kuri na mihango irugamite na mwaka wa thirikari wa kigena utigarite ihinda ria mweri umwe utirihuo.
Some of the national government ministries, departments and agencies responsible for various conditional grants have revised downwards the amounts due to be dispersed to counties in this financial year to about 24 billion shillings. This is as unlawful and as unacceptable as common reason.
Girifotera Kameme TV, Returakonu Wajiru, Waforo.